Today's video, guys, is going to be on replacing your plug-in on your light switch on this F350. You can see mine's spun in two. It was a grounding out, and I fixed that section of it. It's been a mess, but I'm also going to change this because it's burned up the internals of this switch. It just ain't working the way it should. So first thing you want to do is replug this switch, unplug it, and then pick you up one of these. Here's the part number. That is a replacement plug-in, and it comes with enough wires that you can actually wire it into where it needs to go, which might be a little difficult because I don't think a code matched 100%. So let's go ahead and unplug this. This is the new switch, and when installing these, you can do it two ways. You can pop the pins out and remove these. But always is new contacts. I doubt I'd do that. And hi, kitty. Getting in here where it's warm. And they are toasty and bun up and stuff and crispy, so I'll probably just cut these. But the point of it is, make sure you got it lined up and your wire colors are correct. And in this one, they a little shade of two difference, and I'm going to take my time. This one's green, that one back there green, this is pink and black and red. So it should be pretty well the same. I see that one's different. This one's blue and white, but that don't matter. If you do them one at a time, you can't get them mixed up. So just go in order. Do this and this, and then make sure it's the same on the switch. Don't get them mixed up. I recommend soldering your ends. We got this sorted, and I got some heat shrink now. This is marine grade heat shrink, and I prefer using this. So what we're going to do is flat it up on to this end, and then take a lighter and shrink this together, and then do a couple more. So we have 3 wires. If you can tell, I'm going in order and not getting them mixed up one at a time. These is all sorted, ready to go, and now I'm going to do the rest of them. You don't want to cut them all at once, unless you got a wiring diagram, but I want to do it like this. This is what it looks like after everything wore in. Some of the colors was a little bit different. That's how come you want to do them one at a time. Make sure they're in the right spots, because you don't want to get these mixed up. But all in all, the sorter jobs is nice and strong. Now I'm going to take and tape this up with some electrical tape. And then I'll show you how it looks once we get that done. So that's the install pretty much done. As you can see, it says made in Taiwan. It looks pretty good. The plug should be functional. I'm 100% everything's hooked up right and should work like it should without even testing it. This is for the fuel thing here. I might get one of those. That one's don't sound the best, but this should be fine for now. We'll try it out once we get the wheel tank on it, and if not, we will replace it. Might do it beforehand before I throw the dash together. But all in all, I will be making a hey kitty. I will be making a video on installing and changing your switch if that is what you're looking for, instead of just a plug-in. You know, since I done got it out, because the new switch don't come with the rod in it and all that stuff, so you will have to change that from your old one or buy new. So that will be in an upcoming video. Be sure drop a like and leave a comment if you found this video helpful, and hit that subscribe button. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.